So, I got myself the Too Faced Sex on the Peach little box, and I thought maybe some of you are just curious what's in there. Well, obviously, there's pictures, but like when I bought it, I wasn't really sure about the size. Um, so, there you go. I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the powder, which is regular size. It's not a smaller size, it's the Too Faced Peach Perfect. I believe it's 35 grams. So it's the big one. I haven't used it yet. I actually went into the Sephora to purchase this powder. I was curious about it, and I just love Too Faced for their peach smell. I just love it when I do my makeup. It smells like peaches. It's amazing. Anyway, so next up is the Cooling Matte Skin Perfection Primer. I've been using that for a while. Yeah, I like it. It's not bad. I'm just gonna place those products here. Yeah, there you go. Next up is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I also been using that for a while. Love it. Big fan. And voila, the mattifying setting spray. I haven't used that yet. Honestly, I've been using the one from Urban Decay, the All Nighter, which has been working pretty well for me. But I'll give that a try. Why not? Honestly, I'm a makeup addict, and I thought, you know what, I might as well start sharing my makeup with the world. So, as I said, I was curious about the box, so I thought, might as well just do a little video about it. Okay, there you go.